Alright, here we go. This is my first time fishing out of a kayak in Florida. I'm using a 7-foot medium heavy rod, 3000 size reel, 15-pound fluorocarbon leader, and this next fish is going to be caught on a 3/8 ounce hair jig, brown and orange colored. The whole purpose of this trip was to catch a redfish out of my kayak in shallow water just like this, so I was very excited to get this first fish. Just this one fish made the long drive down worth it for me. Just push pull along looking for fish. What the hell was that? Okay, it's on. It is on. That was a big fish. That's size. That's some size. Oh my god, I think it's a red. Holy shit. Got leader. Just get him in the net. Oh my god, it's a big red. Oh my god, all this grass. Let's get some lip grips on them. Oh, I'm drifting back into the mangroves. There we go. Nice big red. The hair jig. Quick story about that last clip. As soon as the clip cut, that's when my GoPro overheated. So I think I used up all my luck. This next fish is going to be caught on the same setup, but instead of the hair jig, I'm throwing live shrimp. We're just kind of hiding from the sun, letting the GoPro cool off. Let me see even. It's still pretty hot to the touch. So, I don't know. We might just, that might be one there. we might stick to the shade and then, you know, fish this for a little bit and then move to another island and find a shady spot. And we're just going to hop around the shade until the sun goes down a little bit. That was a terrible cast. I gotta get this rod out of my way. There we go. That's crazy. I just saw another one get spooked too. We're nailing them. Don't overheat this time, please, GoPro. Yeah. We're in the shade though now, so I don't think it will. At least it shouldn't. That's right, buddy. Right, come right in. Good fishy. A little bit smaller than the last one. They're crazy fighters though. Yeah, there's more. They spooked. I'm about the same size as the last one. Yeah, scared of the boat. Come on out. Cornered him too. Came back just in time. You're good luck. You're good luck, my man. Popped right out. Grass all over my phone. Come here, fella. You gonna behave? Or what? There we go. Nice. Try to get him like that. There we go. Beautiful redfish. Gorgeous. Wow. What a pretty fish. That's two.